guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating yet again in a Look for Less challenge. This is May 2019 edition. In today's challenge is brought to you by Yami from Latina Next Door and Cassey from Coffee with My Sunshine. They're both great channels, a ton of DIY, so make sure you check them out. I will have their channels linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge will be linked down below. So if you're not familiar with the Look for Less challenge, it is a challenge where we're supposed to find something expensive or maybe out of our price range and replicate it or make something that looks like it for a lot less. So here is the product that I have picked up, and as you can see, the price of this item is $190, and it is from Cassey Home. It is a touch bigger than the one that I made. Mine is 13 inches wide and this one is 17 inches wide, but it's the same height. Mine cost me $8 for the tray, and then I spent $6 on jute rope, but I only used 2.5 of them, so technically $5 I would say, and then hot glue, and that's it. And I think it turned out really good. Pretty close to what the expensive product was for a fraction of the price. So for $13 it cost me to make it. So even if it is a little bit smaller, it's still a significant price difference. So come along.
The materials that I picked up for this project was this glass tray, which was $8, and I picked it up at a thrift store. Then I picked up 3 packages of this jute rope, and I used only 2.5. And then other materials that you'll need is a glue gun and some glue sticks. So the first thing that I did was obviously heated up my glue gun, and then I started at the bottom of the inside of the tray. And you want to keep this very, very tight to the side, and then when you wrap the rope around it again, you want it to be as tight as possible so there's least amount of gaps. I also didn't go overly heavy with a glue gun. Just at the first point where the rope starts, that was a little bit heavier, and then the rest of the glue I kept it to fairly light application because I didn't want too much glue to be seeping between the ropes. And then I just went in a circle and I wrapped everything, the rope around, and just kept going until I used up the whole rope, and then I added the other one where the other one stopped. side was completed, I started to work on the outside, and this time I glued the rope on the outside of the tray, and I started at the bottom working my way up. And again, you want this as tight as possible and with not too much glue. To finish it off, I just added a bigger blob of glue, again not too much so it doesn't come out, cut off the rope, and that was it. Here it is, all done. I think it turned out really nice. I love the way it looks, and I love the way I styled it in my kitchen with all the supplies, the cooking supplies that I need for cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Yami and Cassey, for hosting this challenge. I love participating in it, and make sure you check out the playlist down below and watch all the nice videos that are in the playlist. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.